Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 13, that is Independence Day. So, students, I think you know it very well that India got freedom on 15th August 1947. So, that's why every year on 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. So, let's read the chapter. Wake up, sleepyheads, shouted Papa. So, here in this story, I think children are sleeping. That's why Papa shouted that now wake up. Sleepyheads, now wake up. Indu and Giant, still in their beds, rubbed their eyes. So, these are the children I was talking about who were sleeping, Indu and Jayan. Now also they are in their beds. It means now also they are sleeping and they are rubbing their eyes. Let's go fly some kites, said Papa as he came in and sat on Giant's bed. So Papa came in the room and he sat on Giant's bed and he said that कि उठ जाओ और कुछ पतंग उड़ाओ. It was 15th August. Indu and Jayant were excited to celebrate Independence Day with Papa, Ma, and all their neighbors. So, Indu and Jayant were also excited. They wanted to celebrate Independence Day with Papa, Mama, and all their neighbors. Both of them quickly showered and dressed. So, actually, when Papa made them wake up and they woke up late, that's why, but they quickly showered. It means they took shower, they took bath, and then they dressed themselves. Jayant wore his white kurta pajama and Indu an orange kurta with green salwar and white dupatta. So like this, these are three colors in our flag. So this is orange, white and green. That's why Indu wore orange, green with white, and Jayant wore white kurta pajama. The whole family walked to the playground. When the Indian flag was hoisted, everyone sang the national anthem. So you can see here, we host the national flag on Independence Day. So when the flag was hosted, then everyone sang the national anthem, Jan Gan Man. Sweets were distributed, and after that, the kids ran to the rooftops to fly their kites. So children fly kites on this day also. So then sweets were distributed, mithaiyan बांटी गई, and after that all the kids means all the children went on the roofs and they started flying their kites. During lunch, Jayant asked Ma, why do we celebrate Independence Day? So students, here Jayant is asking from his mother that why do we celebrate Independence Day? Ma thought for a moment and then said, remember last year in the park how the big boys took Indu's football and pushed you off the slide? You came home crying. So what did the mother say? माँ ने बोला कि तुम्हें याद है कि पिछले साल क्या हुआ था पार्क में, कुछ बड़े लड़कों ने इंदू की फुटबॉल ले ली थी और तुम्हें धक्का मार दिया था और तुम रोते रोते घर आ गए थे. यस सेड इंदू. बट लेटर वी स्केयर्ड देम ऑफ. दे नेवर बॉदर्ड अस अगेन. तो फिर इंदू क्या बोली कि हाँ, पर बाद में हमने उन्हें डरा दिया और उन्होंने मुझे कभी भी परेशान नहीं किया. राइट. द स्टोरी ऑफ आर इंडिपेंडेंस इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. मैनी ईयर्स एगो द ब्रिटिश केम टू इंडिया एंड बिगेन टू रूल अस. बहुत साल पहले ब्रिटिश लोग, अंग्रेज लोग इंडिया में आए थे एंड बिगेन टू रूल अस, और वो हम पर शासन करने लगे. द इंडियन पीपल लॉस्ट देयर फ्रीडम. So when the British began to rule us, then Indian people lost their freedom, but they were scared to fight back because they thought that the British were stronger. परंतु इंडियन लोग उनसे फाइट नहीं कर पा रहे थे क्योंकि उन्हें लगता था कि ब्रिटिश उनसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है। जस्ट द वे द टू ऑफ यू फेल्ट व्हेन द बिग बॉय स्केयर्ड यू। जैसे कि जब बड़े लड़कों ने तुम्हें डराया तो तुम डर गए। वॉट इज़ फ्रीडम? आस्क्ड जयंत। सो जयंत wanted to know the word freedom. Ma looked at him and said, freedom is when you can do the things you want. Freedom is when you want to do something and you do that one. It means you have freedom. But freedom also means that you cannot hurt anyone else. Tell me, how did you feel when the big boys did not let you play? तो फ्रीडम का मतलब ये भी होता है कि आप किसी को हर्ट नहीं कर सकते। तो मुझे बताओ, जब बिग बॉयज़ ने आपको खेलने नहीं दिया था तो तुमने कैसा फील किया? जयंत सेड, एंग्री एंड सैड। माँ आस्क्ड, वाई? बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू प्ले। माँ सेड, येस, बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट लेट यू प्ले वेयर यू वॉन्टेड। क्योंकि वो तुम्हें वहाँ नहीं खेलने देना चाहते थे जहाँ तुम चाहते थे। जयंत नोटेड, तो जयंत ने सिर हिलाया। यस, जस्ट लाइक दैट द ब्रिटिश टोल्ड द इंडियंस what they should or should not do. Everyone protested and decided to fight back. They fought hard until the British gave up and left India. तो सबने प्रोटेस्ट किया, उनके खिलाफ लड़े और एंड में ब्रिटिश लोग चले गए इंडिया छोड़कर। ऑन 15th August 1947 इंडिया फाइनली गॉट इट्स फ्रीडम। So I told you earlier that it was the date when India got freedom. So students, till here today we will read. I hope you all have understood me. Tomorrow we will continue this lesson and do complete also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.